Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add countdown timer for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add widgets, scroll down below, and you're going to see it here countdown. Just take it, grab it, and paste it to one of your columns on your site. So now you can see that you got like really good and pretty countdown, and you can choose like the date, the time, and really play around it. And then you get also like design, what kind of layout you want to do. Then you get like style, if you want to change the size of it. And let's say today is so like 2 hours. That's pretty cool. And yeah, this is how you can do it. And this is how you can play around it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.